Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope you all are fine. Today we are here to start a new book and it's our textbook. Its name is Iqra English Book 1. Students, do you know it is very interesting and colorful book. It has many pictures also. You are going to enjoy yourself a lot while you will read this book, and you will also learn a lot of new things from this book. This book will develop your grammatical concept. It will also improve your reading, listening and speaking skills. And it will also develop or enhance your vocabulary because you are going to learn a lot of new words from this book. So let's start and see what we are going to do today. On a very first page, you have to write your name, your GR number, your class and section. And if you don't know your GR number, so there is no need to write. When you are done with this, so what you have to do, let's see what is our first unit, what we are going to read today. This is our first unit and its name is the alphabet sounds. Okay, and we have learnt about this before also, and this is also called phonogram. So in today's lesson we are going to revise a single letter phonogram once again. Yes, in today's lesson we are going to revise a single letter phonograms which are also called the alphabet sound. So let's start and see कि आज के lesson में हम क्या करेंगे. So look at the next one is, first of all you will write date here, and after that you have to read what is written over there. Match pictures with sounds. Yes, today we are going to do matching. Yes, we will match pictures with sounds. So let's see and start. What is this? Look at the first picture and tell me what is this. This is an X. X. And X starts with A. X. And alphabet A has three sounds. A, O. And X starts with A sound. A, X. What is this? This is a ball. And ball starts with B. B, ball. Yes, initial sound of ball is B. And letter B has only one sound. B, ball. What is this? This is a cat. Cat. And what is the starting sound of cat? Cat. Cat. So letter C has two sound, and cat starts with first sound. Cat. What is this? This is a door. Door. What is the initial sound of door? D. Door. Yes, and its starting sound is D. Letter D has only one sound, D, door. What is this? This is an elephant. Elephant. What is the beginning sound of elephant? E. Elephant. E. Elephant. So letter E has two sound, E, and elephant becomes with elephant. What is this? This is a frog. Frog. And what is the starting sound of frog? Frog. Frog. Yes, letter F has only one sound. Frog. Now look at this one. What is this? This is grass. This is grass. And what is the starting sound of grass? G, grass. G, grass. And letter G has two sounds, G, J, G, J. And grass becomes with G, grass. What is this? Hen. This is a hen. And what is the starting sound of hen? Hen. Hen. And letter H has only one sound, hen. What is this? This is a jacket. Jacket. So what is the initial sound of jacket? J, jacket. J, jacket. And J has only one sound, J, jacket. What is this? This is a kettle. This is a kettle. Kettle. And what is the initial sound of kettle? K, kettle. K, kettle. And letter K has only one sound, K. What is this? This is a lamb. What is this? This is a lamb. Lamb. And what is the initial sound of lamb? L, lamb. L, lamb. And letter L has only one sound, L. Students, we have done reading from page number 8. Now we are going to move towards page number 9. What is this? This is a monkey. Monkey. And what is the initial sound of monkey? Monkey. Monkey. And letter M has only one sound. What is this? This is a net. Net. And what is the initial sound of net? Net. Net. And letter N has only one sound. What is this? This is an ox. Ox. What is the starting sound of ox? O. And letter O has four sound. O, O, U, A. And ox becomes with first sound. O, ox. What is this? This is a plate. 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 And what is the initial sound of plate? P, plate. P, plate. And letter P has only one sound, P, plate. What is this? This is a queen. What is this? This is a queen. Queen. So what is the starting sound of queen? Queen. Queen. So letter Q has only one sound. What is this? This is a rabbit. Rabbit. What is the initial sound of rabbit? Rabbit. Rabbit. Letter R has only one sound. What is this? This is a star. Star. What is the starting sound of star? Star. Star. Letter S has two sounds. Z. And S starts with star. What is this? This is a tree. Tree. And tree starts with t. Tree. What is the beginning sound of tree? T. Tree. Tree. Letter T has only one sound. T. Tree. What is this? This is an umbrella. Umbrella. And umbrella starts with a. Umbrella. Initial sound of umbrella is a. Umbrella. And letter U has three sound. A, U, U. Umbrella starts with first sound. A. Umbrella. What are these? These are vegetables. These are vegetables. Vegetables. And what is the first sound? What is the starting sound of vegetable? Vegetable. Vegetable. V has only one sound. Vegetable. What is this? This is a wallet. Wallet. What is the initial sound of wallet? Wo. Wallet. Wo. Wallet. Letter W has only one sound. Wo. What is this? This is an X-ray. X-ray. And what is the initial sound of X-ray? X. X. X-ray. Letter X has three sounds. X. Z. And X-ray start with first sound. X. X-ray. What is this? This is yo-yo. What is this? This is yo-yo. And yo-yo starts with Y sound. And letter Y has four sound. Y, A, I, E. And yo-yo starts with Y sound. First sound. Y, yo-yo. What is this? This is a zip. Zip. What is the starting sound of zip? Z, zip. Z, zip. And Z has only one sound. Z, zip. Students, you have to read this lesson for 5 times. You have to revise all the single letter phonograms. You also have to revise their sounds so that it will be easy for you to keep in your mind. So we'll meet inshallah in next lesson. Keep revising and learning. Allah Hafiz.